Hey then. So hello. Today I'm back with another video, another toy review, and these toys are still a mystery, but both of them some lovely toys to add to my collection. So they are both mysteries now. Now I will close my eyes and I'll review the toy that my finger touches after I open my eyes. Alright then. Okay then. We'll be reviewing this one first. This is a new toy set with these tiny utensils and food items that I found at a random bookshop. I thought that these accessories were quite uncommon, so I decided to buy them. So let's see what's inside. Now I don't want to destroy this lovely packaging, so I'll carefully unpackage it. Right then, we're in the first stage of unpackaging it. Fine, I'm really excited to get these small things out of the package, to feel the texture of these toys. Alright then, got these. Oops. Alright now. So, we did not destroy this lovely package. Now let's see, we've got these two bowls, these two plastic bowls, and there's a lot of options for creativity here. We've got these little pieces of glitter, and this gum. I'll tell you about it soon. The function of this gum. Now we've got oh, it's not coming clearly on camera. This is a bottle of cold drinks. These two bottles of cold drinks. We've got, they seem to be from a glassy material. This is also a tiny glass jar with glitter inside. These two bowls. And then we have this tray with food on it. And last but not least, we've got these two cups, these two glasses of drinking water. So these are like cereals. I can consider these are some cereals inside of the bowls. And here high quality some miniature sized toys that represent Chinese or Japanese food. And to complement it, we've got this cute little doll with this Chinese hairstyle, and all these foods go together. All these foods complement each other to create a delicious Chinese feast for this little doll. So, do you like your feast? Yes, of course I do. I'm really excited to start eating, especially with the rice and the mashed fish and spinach. Alright then you can start eating right now. Hey, why don't you use that stick instead? No, I don't need that stick. Nom 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 nom. It's delicious. Well, that isn't the end of it. You've got a lot more food up here. So, oh, I do? Oh wow, thank you for this huge feast. I don't think I can finish this all in one day. Well, yes, I agree with you. I also won't be able to finish reviewing both of these toys in one day. We still have a surprise left here, and we'll be reviewing this in the next video. Oh, really? What surprise? I'm excited to see. Well, then, well, if you're excited, little doll, then you must stay tuned until the next video. And and you may even be able to be a part of that toy. You might even be able to go inside of the toy. Wait, what do you mean I'll be able to go inside of the toy? Well, you will understand if you stay tuned for the next video. So, thanks for watching this video. This video of me doing a small tour review of these exquisite Chinese. Alright then, so good.